My name is Arif. I'm from Benaulim, actually, Nabilim. Benaulim, my workshop is there in Benaulim. So I'm basically mechanical engineer and running a superbike workshop in Benaulim. So recently, after E20, we saw lots of issues in our throttle bodies. This is a throttle body basically. So it's all with the injectors, plastics, rubber O-rings inside, and having an issue with the ethanol. Basically, this build up for the petrol, not for the water. So in Goa, what happened is we have lots of people working on a cruise line. They are abroad. They come for after 6 months. So the bike is idle for 6 months. After when they come back, the ethanol have separated from the petrol, and this kind of white powder accumulate in that after 6 months. So I basically asked Mr. Kejriwal sir to look into this matter, because in Goa we have lots of issues with the ethanol. Before it was not much, but nowadays having a big issues. I have with my team, I have lots of mechanics who is having four-wheeler also, and they are having same issue. So please look in this matter.
Wants to say something?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So my name is Stephen. I own a garage in Kolwa. We have the same problems. My diesel tank, the petrol tank, no, the fuel pump gets. So the vehicle stops on the road, and every time we clean the tank, same thing issue comes back. So I would just suggest you to do something. Yeah, the customers are facing many problems, breakdowns every now and then. Okay, so I request you, please.